So let's go ahead on and set our zoom up to see if we can zoom like a pro.
Be strong.
Next thing we want to do is we want to start a meeting. Go to the Zoom, hit start meeting. Expand your screen. Now you'll notice down in the left hand corner both my microphone and my video is off. In order to turn them on, you simply click on the microphone and you'll notice that it turns white with green on the inside, indicating that I am now able to communicate. People will be able to hear me. And in order for people to be able to see me, I simply click on the video again, and now you can see me. So the next thing we want to do is we want to ensure that we have proper lighting. You'll notice that my lighting is dark. Well, how can I increase my light? One way to increase your light is to go into the settings itself. Zoom provides some adjustments for lighting. If you'll notice here in the adjust for low light, if you click that on, now you notice the light increased a little bit, but still I'm dark. So in order to increase my lighting, what you need to do is you want to get some additional lighting. Now I have the newer lighting kit that I got from Amazon, and the description, the link description for the kit will be in my YouTube description. But in order to increase the light with those two devices, you simply set them up, in which I have already done. Now notice the difference here. Wow, what a difference. And that's the type of lighting that you want. Now you're able to easily be seen by others. So the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our audio is heard correctly. Simply, we want to go to test out speakers and microphone. It asks you if you heard a ringtone, and yes I did. And yes I did. And then it wants you to speak, and then it wants you to speak, and asks you if you heard a replay. Yes, and asks you if you heard a replay. So I click yes, and then finish. So now my audio and my video with proper lighting is complete. Some other things that you can do to enhance or increase your or settings. Let's look at a few settings in the video. So we'll go here to video. We'll first start with the choose virtual background. Now the virtual background is nice because what it does is it gives you the ability to change your background. You'll notice the background in the back there. Now let's change it. Say for example, if I wanted to make it look like I was somewhere else. The Golden Gate Bridge there. Go back again. If we wanted to change it to something else, simply click it. Click it. Or you can even have a video playing in the background if you like. Now, if you, and then you have no background. We're going to look at another recent update that Zoom has provided for us, and basically this is some things that you can do to have some fun. For example, it has many different filters that you can add. Let's go through a few of them. If you wanted to change the colors to make it black and white, you notice the filter there, it changed it from color to black and white. Now if I wanted to make it like a rustic serpentine color, you see I changed the filter there. If I wanted to make it more feminine, so to speak, it gives me a pink kind of color. If I wanted to make it look like I had some type of frame, an audience that I was actually on screen and the audience were attentively paying attention to me, you see that filter is there as well. And I kind of like that. Let's look at a few more options that you have under filters. Say for example, if you want to just mess around and change your face, you can do that. You can do that. Looks a little crazy, but hey, it's kind of fun. Same thing with the pig, or I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, I like that one too. So you see you have various filters that you can put on here, and it can kind of liven things up a little bit. If you want to go incognito, you can as well. So there are a few fun filters. Now this is basically under the video filters, and you can also move on to the studio effects. If you wanted to change your eyebrows, if you wanted to add a beard and a mustache and a goatee to it, you can do that, and you can set this up as well. You can also change the different colors to the options that you're going to use. So those are some of the filters that you can use. So far what we've discussed is we've discussed the lighting, we've discussed the audio, and we've also discussed the video and various filters or enhancements that we can use. And we're going to go ahead on and turn those filters off, get back to the regular screen. So this has been a quick video setup tutorial on how to set your system up and how to make it look more professional. Now one thing that I didn't mention is I'm using a Nuvo headphone. It's not that expensive. It will be linked in the description below as well. But you can see the sound quality is nice. It's not that expensive. The build quality on the headphone is pretty solid, and it's very comfortable. Now for some it might be a little too big. There are other things that you can do as far as your audio is concerned, and we're going to have that in an upcoming video as well. So if you've enjoyed this video, we encourage you to please subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, please share, and come back and check out our next video. I'm Bertrand TechMan, and thank you for checking it out.
Be strong. Be strong.